And welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be playing Titanfall. I have not played this in ages, so let's just search for a normal match. Let's just go on it. I'm just going to step until I find a match. Okay, we have found a match. I am playing on training ground. So yeah, loading. Loading. And we are back. See, we have a choice of stuff here. I'm just going to go with that. And then I'm going to go with this. What is this? Okay. Apparently we are in another game now. Angel City. What is this? I don't understand. Okay, I think that's us. Okay. Can we go now? Yay, finally. Let's jump. I don't know how he didn't fall and break his legs. Right. Let's use the pistol. Because everybody likes pistols. Right. I actually can't remember the last time I played this game. I've had it for like so long now. Right, first strike. I can't find anybody. Can you wall run in this? I can't remember. Oh. Ah, you can? Yeah, do. Right, anybody? Oh crap. Right, that's our teammates. I can't seem to find anybody. I have a map, didn't I? That's me just realised that I have a map. Yes. Finally I killed somebody. Right, pistol. Really? Oh, god damn it. Right. We're back into action. Right, get him. Crap. Right, bots in these days. Oh crap. Die. What happens if I press and I died? What happens if I press? Oh! Rocket launcher. This doesn't work. God damn it, doesn't even work. Okay. Die. Just die. Dude, really, I'm so bad at this game. I can't play it. I don't even know how much kills have I got. Pilot kills. 1 minion kill. Can hardly find anything. Right, Titan. Oh, for God's sake! Just go! I really don't care about your family. Okay, Titan's coming. Right, there it is. Right, get in it. Time to get some booty. Come on then. Square G. 2 against 1. Come on then. Let's see. Die. Did he just blow me up or did we blow each other up? Oh, I hate him. La 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 la. Nothing. I am not invisible or anything. Oh, I don't even find anybody in that. Oh, hi. anti-titan weapon. On this oh, for God's sake, that killed me. I cannot change the this. Can also change class to that. Right, thank you. And if I press it, there we go. I should have it. The best gun of all time. And I actually died. Of these, I don't even know who I'm dying by now. Right, just for this spawn. Right, this is the last time I'm dying. That's the last time I'm dying. Right, I've had enough. Run away. Run away. I am not getting killed. Go away, Titan. Titan, we can be friends. Yeah, I'm just, like, really doing this now. What is everybody else? Come on. Ouch, I'm getting hot by something. What is everybody? Where did they go? Is everybody in my bloody... I don't know. Right, Titan's ready. And I'll probably find nobody there. Oh crap, run away. He saw me. He saw me. And he got me. Right, I'm going to respawn as that. Right. Time. It is time. Now. For all of you to die. Come on. Then. Come on. I will square jiggle you. F. Die. Die. That's right, you die. Really? Are you really trying to kill me? Where'd you go? Get back here. Die. Come on. I know you want to die. Oi, stop firing rocket launchers at me. I'm trying to be nice. Okay, yep, that's them dead. They're dead. Oh crap, and the Titan saw me, but I didn't see him. Eject, 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 eject. Okay, we are ejected. And we got the feed. I need to run. I really do. Oh, for God's sake. For the love of life. What? What? Alright, so you don't need to die. Alright, I get it. I didn't know you had to stay alive. Oh. He's really gonna make it. He's really going to make it. Oh, no, nobody made it. Nobody made it. That really did the worst in the team. I got one Titan kill. I am like the best in the world at this game. I mean, can I change the classes of some sort? I can. Okay, and the Titan win. No. Keep all of these like this. I have no attachments. Oh, what's that? Keep it as that. Sniper. Everything the sniper in the apartment. Apparently everything is a sniper. That's just great. Everything the sniper. Really? fine. I got an achievement for something. I didn't actually get to read what it was. Anyway, last game. Haven. Haven. Okay, we are here. I thought that was different. Let's go for the pistol. Let's go for that. Let's jump it. Did you still realise how the pistol are doom? Throw a grenade to nobody. Come on then. I have a pistol and I'm not afraid to use it. I don't know what it's going to do to you. But you will die. There we go, see? You died. Die. Die, this doesn't have long range. What's my secondary? Another pistol. Let's use this pistol then. This pistol's good. Die. Another one. Another one here. I can just see you on the minimap. You do know that, right? I have a minimap. I can see where people are. Let's go. Oh, that's nobody. That was a titan there. Where are you? Oh, there, he's camping behind one of the dudes. Now run up and knife people. I can kick them. I'm gonna go up to somebody and kick them. Come on. Where is everybody? Come on. I kick you. I kick you. Oh no, he killed me. And right. Let's just continue as this. Right. Let's go. Oh. Oh. I have to do tackles. Die. Tackles. Come on. Tackles down the stairs. Off we go. Come on. 360. Oh. Look at these tackles. Down the stairs. 360. Die. Tackles. Well done. Kinda. Titan. Where did it go? Oh crap. I didn't want it anyway. I didn't want my Titan anyway, so yeah. You can keep my Titan. I don't want it. Oh, for God's sake, where did you come from? Wonder if you can steal other people's thingies. Oh, that's a Titan. Just passing by. Just passing by. Nothing to be afraid of. I don't know what my Titan is. I don't think it shows it on the minimap. What does it? What is it? Whoa! What is that? Okay, anyway, we do have to end the video there. And yeah, bye.